That's my SSD card. Yes, that's it. Input here, input, and make sure that it's not locked. It's unlocked, and you input the SSD card in the reader here, and in the reader here. Yes, but the laptop not detect the SSD card. What can I do? And I explain in the laptop. Okay, go to Google and type SD card driver for this, for my laptop. If you have this, click this link, that's desktop, gaming, and touch the memory card SSD. Go to search for download other money in memory card lock. Yes, check memory card, clear memory card. Yes, the BIOS version in Windows to update. What's this? New tape. What's this? Advanced. Yes, that's this. Security, yes. And 2, 3. Interface security, yes. Interface security. Okay, interface security. ESP. Interface security, yes. Didn't go to. Card reader unlock. What's the mark? Card reader unlock. That's it, huh? Okay. And active card reader in the board. Excellent. And see you after the reboot. Okay, now I will restart. I right click here and restart. Yes, when restart I click F2 and the keyboard.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I click F2 when this it's showing. Now I go to advanced F7. Yes, F7 in the keyboard. I click F7. I go to security. Yes, the security, and go to interface security. Yes, that's it. Enter interface security and go to USB interface security and enter USB card reader. Here is card reader. Yes, I go to our card reader and click enter and unlock. Click enter. Card reader. Unlock. Now I click F10 in the keyboard to save. Yes. To save. You must click F10. Okay, in the keyboard. F10 in the keyboard. Yes, you wish to save? Yes, I save. Now I restart. My card reader is still here. Yes, it is still in the PC. Okay, I will extend it, and after the robot I will enter in the PC.
Connected successfully.
Yes, the Bluetooth is successfully. Okay, with the password. Yes, 3219. Okay, now I input Logitech. Okay, I input my SSD. Yes. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Enter my PC. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! It's very very nice. Property. Yes, here it is. Here it is. My SSD card. Finally, it's nice. It's nice. Yes, it's nice. So you must hit a like and say thanks in the comment, and see you later. Thank you very much.